Your crypto update for the 16th of March. So as you can see, the beautiful sea of red. Majority of cryptocurrencies are down today, with it also being a Sunday. That makes it a plus. But you know, we've still got a lot of uncertainty in the markets, which I've been talking about for the last couple of days. People are still fearing the markets, and also that's represented in the stock markets too. So this is Bitcoin, of course, and it's around 64,000 at the time I took the screenshot. Now, we had a sell-off period today on Sunday. It came around from 65,100 and then it sold off to around 63,900, and now we're consolidating, right? We are going to be in this sort of movement for quite some time, right? I've been talking about it the last couple of days. Look at my previous videos, follow me on this account. But literally, I have been talking about this movement for quite some time. Not this exact one, but the fact that we were going to be between these numbers for some time, right? I expect another week of this, possibly, where we don't see much going on. But obviously, we don't know, because with everything that's so uncertain right now in the markets, things could just rack up again, and it could just do the polar opposite. Or we could see really a bear market coming towards us. And there's this whole talk about recession, which is another thing as well. So as you can see, Ethereum is at 1,455 at the time I took the screenshot. Since yesterday, it was around 1,490. We didn't have a lot of change on Saturday. And then we've had some sell-off period from that point down to around 1,455. Now at this point, I expect some consolidation, but I also expect some more downtrends. I do feel like as I was saying in the previous moments of this video, that I do expect that we would see some sort of bear market, and that's only because of the fact that the market just looks so stale, and I feel like people still do not trust in their money being in the markets. So, and that's talking more from a retail investor perspective. I do have to also say though, we are seeing a little bit more buy pressure in some coins, may I say. I feel like people are taking opportunities of buying at low prices of these cryptocurrencies, which makes sense. And also the other thing as well is, we're starting to see the fear and greed indicator go up a little bit more. Today it's 24, since yesterday I think it was around 20, I'm not sure, or 18. So it is going up slightly. People are taking opportunities. I think there is a lot of good news coming out of things like Ripple and or about XRP and stuff like that. But who knows? Who actually knows what's going to be happening? As I say, it could very much just switch and we could see a rally. But I'm just going off indicators from the market and not necessarily just news.